What are you hearing from your sources?
Well, a lot of points, and let me just put it chronologically. Yesterday, late last night, a senior Congress leader spoke to Mr. Sachin Pilot and conveyed to him officially that he would need to attend the Congress Legislative Party before any kind of discussion can take place. That they stated officially to him. There has been lot of newspaper reports, a lot of media reports saying that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi have been in touch with Sachin Pilot. That has not been the case. Let me just clarify. That is their official position, that they have not been in touch with them. There have been via media, there have been through emissaries discussions with him and trying to send the message loud and clear. What is Mr. Sachin Pilot's demands? He has three demands. What are the three demands? First, that the Congress High Command, the leadership, announce him as Chief Minister within the present tenure, that is within the next, the remaining tenure that is left, that is another 2-3 years, that he should be made Chief Minister. The second is that the Congress General Secretary in charge of Rajasthan, Mr. Avinash Pandey, be removed. And the third is, of course, that all those MLAs who have joined him must be compensated with good ministerial berths. These are the demands that have been made. But as he makes these demands, as we have been pointing out, he's been hobnobbing with the BJP. People like Mr. Scindia, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, he has been in touch with them, and the Congress is aware of that. As well as, of course, there has been, and I don't want to say anything beyond that, but every possible option has been given. Operation Kamal is in full swing in the state of Rajasthan after they have been successful in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Having said that, the question mark remains about what exactly can the Congress do to go forward. They are trying to save and ensure, and that is why Mr. Ashok Gehlot had briefed the leadership and has been a little bit quick, unlike Kamal Nath, to see that his flock stay together, and that is why this meeting has taken place. They will issue notices to those MLAs who are absent today, asking them why action should not be taken against them. These are requirements as per law. And then, of course, a suitable action will be taken at a later stage. But definitely, they are trying to reach out and see what is the way forward in terms of getting these MLAs back. Because is it the deal that they want to go with the BJP too, along with Mr. Sachin Pilot? Mr. Sachin Pilot, as you're well aware, as he talks to the BJP, is trying to buy time and ensure that he gets more MLAs on his side, something which the Congress leadership is not ready to continue to keep, allow that big a leeway. So this is the factual position from their part, and we'll have to wait and watch and see how things unfold. But definitely the BJP is in Operation Kamal. Sanket points out that Vasundhara Raje Scindia has not been taken and consulted. But what he's not telling you is that both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah are very much aware of what is happening. And this is not something that has happened today, but this has been going on for the last 6 months. They are in complete control, both Mr. Narendra Modi as well as Amit Shah, and they definitely want to see that the Rajasthan government is in trouble.